So today I'm going to be reviewing this Shany lipstick that I got from Amazon. I just felt like I wanted more lipstick to fill my container, so I just decided to order some lipstick. And so I was like, I'm gonna just do a review of this. So I never tried this before. I don't know if this is gonna be good lipstick. I hope it don't break my lips out. I don't know. I did read the reviews. It seemed okay. So I'm gonna review those shades that all the colors came in. I'll put the link in the description of where I got this from and where you can go get it if you like the colors. Check out my video on my 5-minute makeup tutorial. That's what this makeup is from. I think I did a horrible job, but that's just me. I'm gonna just leave it there. I am going to go ahead and prime my lips. I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime. I use this when I put on like any type of lipstick, whether it's matte or what is the other texture? You know what I'm talking about. The other texture, I forget the name, but of lipstick. All I know is matte, so I just like matte lipstick all over the place. So I'm going to go in and use this before I test out these lipsticks, and I pray to Jesus that it don't break me out, break my lips out.
Dear Jesus, I pray that this does not break me out in no way, shape, or form. Amen. Alright.
So, the first color is number 4. Whatever number 4 is supposed to be, that's another thing. Like, it doesn't even say the color. It just gives you like this one says number 2. Okay, so it's just numbers. They don't even give you a nice little name for it. Okay, so this is 2, this is 4. So we're gonna start with 4. 4 is a red. So I'm gonna go in. This is what it looks like. Let's see what this does. Let's just see. We don't know what this, I hope this don't break me out, but this is not matte lipstick, by the way. Okay, I thought this was red, but it's giving pink or something. This is why I only do matte lipstick, because this shit. Okay, this is a color. I give this a, I don't know. It's giving me drag queen. I don't know. I'm giving drag queen.
Hours, and
Put it that way. I can't blame the lipstick, but yeah, that's this color. So I don't like it. It's not for me. It's not for me. It's not for me. Some of y'all may like it, but it's just, maybe it's just not for me. I don't like it. Stop. Maybe my hair needs to be a different style. I don't know. It's just not working. So again, I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena. Gotta love Neutrogena. And I'm gonna take this off. Okay, this not working. Like, come on. Okay. Doing so much. So I'm gonna take this one on. My lips are gonna feel so raw by the time I'm finished. Okay, so that was 1. That was color 4. The next color we're gonna go on with is 2. And it looks like a pale pinkish type color. Oh, I already know I'm not gonna like this. I already know. Oh no. This is so not for darker tones. This actually could work, but with a mixture of some other stuff too. This is rating a 1 because no, it's just no. No. Nope. 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 Look like I put chalk on my lips. My lips already feel raw. Okay. The next color is 11, which looked like 4, but I guess this is like a different color. Maybe this is red. I don't know. I feel like some of these would have potential with like gloss. Like a gloss on top. I'm okay with this one, but for some reason I'm okay with this one, but not the first one. I don't know, but that's this one. It could be cute. A little bit, I guess. I don't know. I give this one like a 5. It's better than a 1. So I give it like a 5. Cause it's okay. It's like 50-50. I feel like it got potential with some gloss. Okay, my lips feel like little. I don't even know what they feel like right now. They just feel like I'm gonna break out in any minute. That's because they just raw. All right. So my next color is 1. Oh, this shit's starting to look the same now. This is just 11, and this is 1. 2 different shades though, you can tell, but oh, 10. That's so sad. This is 10, not 1, y'all. I'm sorry, but if you no, it's 10. I'm just stupid. Okay, so I'm not gonna try this color because I feel like it's just the same as the other one. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna skip you. We're gonna go. This stuff is so linty. We're gonna go with 5. 5 is like a pink. Let's see how this looks. This is what it looks like. It's like a pink. I feel like it could be cute. Okay. Yeah. No. It's giving Nicki Minaj in 09. That's what it's giving. This, it looks cute on camera, but in person it really looks a fucking mess. But this could have potential if it's mixed with something, but I don't like it just by itself raw like this. Raw dogging, nah. It's a no. So I don't really care for that one, but it's okay. It's okay. On to the next. On to the next. On to the next. On to the next. I started to say my lips burning, but that sounds wrong. Like I got the sauce and I ain't got the sauce. So let's not say that. This is 9. This is like a mauve color maybe. No, it's not giving mauve. It's giving like orange a little bit. So giving a fall color. It's like a fall color though. It's actually not bad. It's okay. A lot of these look okay on the camera, but not really in person. But this one I'm actually okay with. I think it has potential like the other one. I haven't come across a 10 yet, so I don't really know. But this is, I'm gonna put it on the other one as the 5 that I rated. So that's a 5. Okay, this is 8. Okay, 9. Okay, yeah, I just did that one. Okay, so this one is 8, and this is like a purplish pinkish color. This looks pretty. Oh yeah, I like this. See, I like this. This is not bad. Yeah, with some liner, this would be really pretty. I think this is a 10. This one right here is a 10. I think this was a 10. Shawty, you a 10. A 10. Shawty. Nah, for real. I think this one is a 10 though, y'all. I think this is really cute. I think this one is really, really cute. Like, look. It's cute. I think it's cute. I think it looks cute. So, my one that I liked the most was 8. That's the color 8. It looks 80 on y'all thing, but it's 8, I promise. I feel like we reviewed this one already, but we didn't because it's never been used. And this is a 3. So I'm gonna take my favorite off. Yeah, I think this one's my favorite. I don't really like this one. Maybe because I have lipstick that's close to this already. So I think this one is okay. I think that's why I got a 10. Okay, so this color is 3. I feel like I just put this on stupid, so I just already don't like it. But in person, I wish y'all could see how it look. It really doesn't look good, but it reminded me of a color we already reviewed, and I didn't like that. It looked like Nicki in 09. I said that already, so that's how I know we reviewed a color like that. So I didn't like that one. So the next one is 7. 7. Ooh, this is like a, looks like a it's like a in between a red and like a nice pink, but we're gonna see how it looks. Yeah, like a berry color. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's okay. I'm okay with it actually. This one's okay. It doesn't win a 10, but I give it like a 7 or 8. I feel like that's a good color. This is a nice color. I like that. We have 3 more. Came in a total of 12. Gee, my lips hurt. All right, the next color is 12. It looks kind of like what I just reviewed actually. Not even trying to be funny, but it's not the same. But I feel like I would like this one too. Let me show y'all what it looks like on my hand. This color looks like kind of what we reviewed already. It looks like a berry color. That's what it looks like on my hand. So I think we don't need to review that one already because we already did. Well, not the exact one, but I'm not about to keep putting this stuff on my lips like that. My lips hurt at this point. This one is color 9. Oh, sorry, color 6. I'm getting these numbers all screwed up. This is a color 6, and again, I feel like we reviewed a color like this already. So moral of the story, it looks like this whole little concoction they got going on here is they make it seem like it's different shades, which it is, but it's nothing different. Like they didn't put an orange or a green. I didn't know nobody want green lips, but I'm just saying it was nothing different. They all had the same colors that resembled each other. So I guess that's okay. This is 6, and again, looks like a color we already put on, and I didn't like it, so I'm not going to review that one. And then Oh look, orange. I already know I'm not gonna like it, but I'll try this one on. Okay. So orange. You know what? I ain't even mad at this orange. You wanna know why? Cause Halloween gonna come around, and I'm gonna do some makeup for Halloween, and I'm like, I wish I had some orange lipstick. So I'm not mad at it actually. I give it a 5 because I wouldn't normally wear orange lipstick, so I'm just gonna give it a 5. But I know it'll come in handy, so I'm not mad at it. So this was my Shany review. These are all the colors that it came with. Like I said, it came with a total of 12, and I reviewed most of the colors. Anything that resembled and looked the same, I did not review, as you know. But I think for the most part, I would give this overall collection a 6 because it wasn't anything that was spectacular about these colors. It didn't make my lips feel a certain way. It was just like the colors that came in the collection. It wasn't anything special about the lipstick, which, you know, some lipsticks, they make your lips feel a certain way, or there's a variety of colors. I don't feel like this set had that many variety of colors, but it was worth a shot. I feel like I would use all the colors at some point, so I'm okay with the collection as it is as a whole. So yeah, I give this whole collection like a 6 or a 7. Okay, so that was my complete review on this Shany collection. I'll put where I got this from on Amazon. I will put each shade that it came with. There is no name for the shade, but I'm gonna put the shade and what I think it looks like. But I can also put numbers in this video so that you know what number goes with what, so you can see what it looks like. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video.